This is Microscope project and here are 10 interesting facts about bacteria. Let's look at it. Did you know the singular noun of bacteria is a bacterium? I did not. And that's excellent start. I have already learned something new. Bacteria are one of the first organisms to show up on the Earth, which means that they are around 3.5 billion years old. That gives my 30th birthday a bit of perspective. Bacteria are everywhere. When I say everywhere, I mean, according to scientific research, 5 times 10 to the 30th power of bacteria in water, air, soil, radioactive waste, symbiotically living with plants and animals and humans. To help you imagine that better, there are approximately 40 million bacterial cells in 1 gram of soil. Did it help? Did you know that your body is basically a jungle? Bacteria live on our skin, in our mouth and throat, nose, vagina, but the most favorite place for bacteria is the gut. If that just grosses you out, don't worry, most bacteria are the good guys who keep us healthy. And actually, we wouldn't even be alive without them. Keeping up with the jungle theme, our belly buttons are apparently like a rainforest. The Belly Button Biodiversity Project found from the 60 belly button samples 2,368 bacterial species. But listen to this, almost 1,500 of them may be new to the science. Also, there was a guy who harbored a bacterium that had previously been found only in soil from Japan. But guess what? He has never been there. Next time you look down at your belly button, just think biodiverse and beautiful. Number 6. Kissing is healthy. When 2 people are kissing, they change on average 80 million bacteria between them. Of course, we are talking French kissing for at least 10 seconds, not just some boring, dry kiss. That one only transfers around 1000 bacteria. So, this very enjoyable process helps your immune system and you also build resistance through exposure to many different microorganisms. Let's continue with kissing a bit more. If you are looking for something romantic to do with your partner, may I suggest Amsterdam? There is a kiss-o-meter set up in Micropia where you can discover how much and what type of microbes you have exchanged with your partner. What a getaway, right? Number 8. Back to reality. Some studies suggest that there are 10 times more bacteria on your cell phone than on a toilet seat. Check out the photos from students of the University of Surrey. Pretty disgusting. When was the last time you disinfected your phone? Did you know that Titanic is being eaten by a metal-eating bacteria? That's right, in only a few decades there might be nothing left from the 52,310-ton ship that took just 2 hours and 40 minutes to sink. And the last one, number 10. Let me introduce you to the toughest of them all, a bacterium that made it to the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's toughest bacterium. Conan the Bacterium. Our superhero is an extremophilic bacterium and one of the most radiation-resistant organisms known today. Thank you for watching. If you would like to know what equipment we use, check the description box below. Also, please give us a like and subscribe for more Microscope projects. And if you have nothing better to do, go check our other videos.